Hey y'all, welcome to Hippie Chick. Thank you all so much for watching my channel. If y'all are enjoying my videos, y'all please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell to be reminded of when I upload new videos. Now you guys, this is my garden segment and I am going to work on my rose bushes, okay? Now, I don't know if you guys can see this or not because we have our camera kind of set up here, but I have a lot of holes in my leaves and stuff of the rose bushes. Now, this just didn't happen just this year. It actually happened last year. And it was just horrible. And I just really didn't know what to do for them. So this year I said I was going to really work at trying to find something to help with that. So I found this. It's called Seven, and it's an insect killer, and it's ready to use, and it kills over 130 insects and pests without harming your plants. Okay, so I'm gonna use some of this to spray on my roses here, and I was doing a little bit of research, you guys, and it was saying that, and I'll bring it up a little bit closer. I was doing a little bit of research and it was saying that I shouldn't have to cut the leaves and stuff back. That I can just kind of spray this, and I'm going to also add some rose food, some plant food to my roses to help them come back out because initially when we had these planted, oh my goodness, the roses, the blooms were so beautiful. And I just want to work really hard at trying to get that back. Now I hope you guys can hear me. I'm trying to speak up a little bit, but I don't have my microphone set up outside here, but my camera does have a microphone on it, so I'm hoping that it's picking it up. So you guys can kind of just see what I'm doing here. So I'm just going to go ahead and just spray these really good. And it also say you want to spray underneath the leaves as well. And it was saying that if it starts to rain or whatever, then of course you would have to go in and respray them again. We'll come down to the next one. And you know, you can spray the stems as well. Cedric, do you think you can get me that plant food for the roses? I'm not sure how to use it. I think you got to mix it with water, maybe?
No, I think you have to throw it on there.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 here. And I have another one over here. I know that's going to be off camera though, but I'll get that done as well. So did you figure out how to do that?
Just shake it, Tracy. Just shake it.
Around the bottom?
Just shake it. Yeah, around the bottom.
Okay. I don't want to step over in the flower bed though.
It don't matter. It don't won't hurt nothing.
Okay. And do we have to water after what you do? Okay. So, you guys, like I told you guys before, you know, I don't do any of the planting, but I will try to get out here and kind of take care of them a little bit. I hope I don't have to get over there, y'all. I was trying to keep from having to go over in there. I don't like how this is doing. This is some shake and feed, all-purpose plant food. This is you know, by Miracle Grow here. I'm trying not to get over in there, y'all. You think I'm gonna be okay?
Yeah.
You wanna go?
You go ahead. You doing your video. You can walk on there. Won't hurt.
My back already bothered me. I can't step over in there. Okay. So you guys, that's going to be it for today. I'm going to finish this last one over here that's not on camera. But it's a rose bush as well. So you guys, but this is what I'm using. And I'm hoping that it will help bring back the roses and the leaves. Can you get up close so they can see the little holes in it? Because I'm not sure if they can see that. All you got to do is pick it up and bring it in. You can pick it up and bring it up close. Like, so they can see the, yeah, just aim down so they can see the little holes and stuff in the leaves. Okay, you want to come down so they can see this one too? Just kind of aim down. See all the holes and stuff where the little bugs and stuff done ate them up, my leaves, and I'm just trying to bring them back out to life, you guys. And I was told also that they will eat the flowers and stuff too. So you shake all that stuff and spray all that stuff on the flower part as well, you guys. Okay, got that part? Okay. All right, and then I'll just come and stand back right here again and end my video. You guys, thank you all so much for watching my channel. This is my garden segment. I hope you guys are enjoying it. I don't know if my husband feel like it. Maybe we can show you our pear tree, or maybe we'll do that in another video. All right, you guys, thank you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.